Hey, it's Edge here, and on today's video we're checking out Bitcoin. Now this is an update video on Bitcoin on very short time frame. We're currently on the 1 hour time frame and checking out the price data that is happening just right now. Now we can see that this has been some kind of triangle, and this fits only into the kind of bullish scenario, at least for a short time frame. So I wanted to make a video about it. This range here has been dealt pretty well, and I've traded in multiple times, and this is what I've got marked at the moment. So this PDVAL, previous day value area low, same as PDVAH, had been broken here. Let's go to 15 minutes to see it better. It got rejected here around 16:50 my time, and then pushed up a bit. I took a long here, got stopped out right below here. I also took a short here on this monthly level, and I closed it around here where the previous day value area low ended, so I got this nice move. Again, I got stopped out on this long here, and I took another long from here, this previous day value area low, and that same area had this whole range's value area low. Now it looks like we're pulling back a bit, but I'm still thinking that this is the end of either this whole triangle, or this was the third and creating a fourth and a fifth on some kind of a zigzag here. This zigzag is not really clear, but sometimes these E waves are a bit shorter and don't go to the edge of this triangular trend lines. Sometimes they overshoot, but they can never go beyond this C, as that would invalidate it. Now this triangle can be even seen on RSI, which is really good sign, and it makes it more valid. Now, how does it fit into the overall picture? Let me clear up my charts a bit. They're a bit hectic. I got these levels here, and maybe we don't need those. Don't need the fixed range. Okay, should be clear enough, I guess. These are some old ones to be removed, and yeah, again, this was one of the scenarios we had, so A, B and C, and the C looks to be playing out. I really don't like the one, but I guess it is possible. If we squeeze a 3-4 here, it ends around this 2618 completely, which is again a bit weird, but I guess it's possible. 2 here and 3rd here, just around the 1618. There we go, like so. 1618 for the 3rd, and as this doesn't look like it is extended, we can expect the wave 5 extending if this indeed is a wave 3 and 4 or impulsive in any way. Wave 4, as it is a triangle, is not expected to get this low, as this looks like more like a sideways correction. This 236 is most likely the scenario around, same area where this previous day value area low is, and looks to be pretty good. Now, where do we expect wave 5? If it doesn't extend at all, then we're looking at 51,500. If it extends, then we will look for higher prices, and it definitely could be likely, as none of these others have extended. So that was the fast update I wanted to give you on Bitcoin, and if this plays out, it will be nice, but if it doesn't, stops are really close here, and that invalidates the triangle, at least at this point. Don't look like we would have enough space to have a D further out, but I guess that could be possible as well. Having this structure play out in some other form, creating maybe some kind of other zigzag combination might be possible, but I wouldn't count on that. Again, stops below here would be really fine, and invalidating a triangle. If you want to invalidate the whole triangle, then stops around or below this A, as that is the lowest point here. We can of course, if this is not a C and this is some kind of weird combination wave for the C, then it definitely could go lower than this current point here, and we would just adjust the trend line. But yeah, that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next update. Bye bye.